There is a massive movement for change, and you could be one of those people who takes charge of your life and no longer lets the world dictate how you should work and earn and live. I'm Landria Onkka, and I took that big step to massive change, to change my life in a direction that I chose, and you can do the same thing. Thousands of people are taking the step into learning how to use technology to create the kind of lives that they desire. You may see a lot of ads out there, and there's a reason for that. People are saying no to the traditional way of working and living. It's not working for us. They're saying no to heart attacks and stress and not having time for their family and friends. They're saying no to going into a job that they don't love and worrying about their future income. Wouldn't you love to get skilled at something that could empower you, that you could use for your own benefit, something that gives you skills and knowledge that you will have for the rest of your life? It's an online education, and you've seen them out there. There's a reason for that. I took that big step. I was an investment banker for 25 years, and I was no longer resonating with the financial industry. I knew that the internet was offering great power if we knew how to use it. And eventually I saw that individuals like you and I were getting trained on it to create our own businesses online. You see, I spent 25 years helping business owners to launch their companies, and I saw that they were stressing out, having to raise a lot of capital and manage people. And that didn't solve any of the problems. They were stressed out too. So what is the solution? What if you could learn something to create your own business without all the overhead, without all the employees having to raise millions of dollars, and you didn't have to have a business background. You didn't even have to have products and services. I have an answer for that. It's called online business, and it's a training system that you can participate in. No products and services, no tech experience, no business experience, just the desire to learn and implement the step-by-step training that you can get from attending this online school. I'm going to offer you a free workshop series that gives you a lot of information, free webinars, and you can learn how this works. What's an online business? A lot of people are afraid of technology, but it's here to stay. Wouldn't you love to use it to go after your goals and your dreams? Wouldn't you love to use it to eventually quit your job? It is possible. I did. You can click somewhere here on the screen and receive a free workshop series. I ended up writing a best-selling, award-winning book. It's a television movie. I've written several more. I own internet businesses, and I love my life. Yeah, I put in the work, but it's what I love doing, and my schedule is my own. It's possible to reach these goals if you're willing to learn something new and follow the step-by-step modules. You'll have trainers, you'll have mentors, webinars. Everything's recorded. You have an amazing community that supports you because they're all feeling the same stress and pressure, and they're wanting to get out of lives that they don't love too. We're all taking this massive step toward a change that's positive, that's changing how we've been living, working, and earning, that's not serving us well. If you're willing to learn something new, click somewhere here on the screen, get more information, and see if it's for you. If you don't like it, you unsubscribe. I hope to see you on the other side. It's worth taking that step toward a life that could possibly be totally fulfilling for you, empower you, and give you an education, knowledge, and skills that could put you in the 21st century. I hope you'll click somewhere here on the screen, and I'll see you on the other side. I personally help mentor people when they come over to the training because I want to see you succeed. It's part of my mission in life. Thanks for listening. Click somewhere here on the screen, and I'll see you on the other side. Take care.